Well, now it's time to check your own learning. Match the word with its number. Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer. The first one is R. R. It means 2. The second one is 三. 三. It means 3. The third one is 五. 五. It means 5. The fourth one is 四. 四. It means 4. The last one is 一. 一. It means 1. How many do you get right? Please leave it in the comment below. Well, if you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's do the next test. That is, write the Chinese according to this number. Pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer together. The first one is 一. Next one, 二. Next one, 三. Next one, 四. 五. How many do you get right? Leave it in the comment below. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。